What's good, YouTube? Man, we working with the Infiniti today, man. And deleted the whole front part of my video of taking this alternator out. It was a job, man, but you know, I eventually got to it. I can at least tell you what I did. You have to remove like 4 or 5 bolts, remove the tensioner pulley, which is that's the longest bolt, which you can't get out unless you remove this radiator fan shroud, which is this, and it had 2-3 clips on the bottom of it, and this slide right out. I had to remove my K&N air filter only because I really bought another one anyway, so that really wasn't too much. It's hella dusty anyway, so I had already planned on changing it out. So we got the new air filter. Just doing a little cleanup of the vehicle. It's been doing good other than the alternator went out. So we got the alternator, new alternator. We got the new battery going. I got a set of tires coming too, but 2 of them came, 2 of them didn't. So as you can see, the wires done start showing on the back of it. Well, it's not bad, but I still wanted to go on the update them now while I had it. I had the funds to do so. It's a new brand that I never tried before. I think it's Haida. I'm not sure. Haida. But yeah, it's 245s in the back, 19, and it's 225s in the front. But yeah, we're gonna see how these work out. They should do all right. It look like a decent tread, but you know, you can't tell until once you get to start going. Like I was saying, I'm missing 2 of them, so we're gonna get it going. Just need to do some little updates on the vehicle to make sure it's performing at its highest potential. So yeah, we're gonna work on trying to get my daily, and I have to make sure it's giving optimal performance. So yeah. I also had to remove this coolant line because it was kind of in the way, but outside of that, 2 little bolts in the back of it that are terrible getting at, especially if you have larger size hand. It was hell to get them on, but luckily I was able to get it all off. So of course the process is just reversing it and getting it back in now. I may jump around with the video, I may cut to it, cut off to it. I'm not sure exactly, but we're gonna work with it. Cause this is not a how to do video, it's just me showing you what all I got going on right now. Oh, shucks. We'll figure it out once we get it in now. Yeah. I'm a lighter. I got action. Okay, I can't get them 2 bolts back there, I guess. We in there though. We got everything. We got the belt, we got the tensioner back on, we got the fan shroud back on. came up with a way. Yeah. Yeah, I'm finna put the battery on it now. But yeah, I think it's because my hand was bigger and I couldn't move it around as much. But yeah, I think what I would have did differently is put the connectors on before I put it in the bracket, the 2 bolts. I definitely would have did that differently. Back with the G. Man, this video been all over the place. I don't know where I left off or how. I don't know where I left off at. I know I was waiting on my tires. They finally came in. So I got my front two. I got my other 2 in the back. And like I said, they some Haida. I don't know how you pronounce it. Get them put on. I did get the alternator and everything else put on, and it's been doing pretty good. I ended up adding another battery. The battery that was in it anyway was too small, so I did end up going up on the voltage with the battery. Everything seems to be doing pretty good right now. But yeah, see if I can get a picture of the tire. I shop at a better place. But yeah, here we go. This is the front part. I think these are the 245. Yeah, these are the rear 225s are the one that's in the back. Yeah, once we get to the place to put them on, then I'll cut it back on. after cleaning them up. Not a little bad. I still feel like maybe I lost at least half of this or something. Like they're too egregious. And too bad. We'll look a little better now that they cleaned up. Of course, they don't look as good as the Toyos. But we gonna give it a while. We gonna see how it worked out. By the way, that tire shine, man. Spray. Coupe raw. I don't know if it's showing good. Coupe raw. It's a little wet. And it's good coming from a spray base too. Pretty good. Look a whole lot better now that they cleaned up. I was a little disappointed at first going this way, so go see how it worked out.